Greetings everybody, this is the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage, making a little video here on a machine I just acquired in my purchasing series. This is the Necchi BF. This is a Necchi sewing machine made during what I call the golden era of vintage machines, and certainly for the Necchi company. Vittorio Necchi was the founder of a company which originally made industrial equipment, including industrial sewing machines. They were based in Pavia, Italy, or at least the factory was. And so they were making industrial equipment and decided to get into the domestic sewing machine business. Now, one of the things I like about Necchi's, because one of the things is the heavy weight and scale of their production quality. They're very heavy. If you ever pick one up, you'll realize this immediately. And they were built by a company, again, that had experience in industrial machines. This is not an industrial machine. Don't let anyone tell you it is. It's a domestic machine, but it is built really strong, very heavy. This particular one is a straight stitch machine. Now, Necchi introduced zigzag in a big way to the home sewing machine market, and it's one of the things that helped put them on the map in North America, along with Europe. In Western Europe, and they were incredible. In this time before they started lowering the quality, as well as all the companies did when they introduced plastic, this machine is quite powerful. And I think I'm going to actually, when I overhaul, restore this machine, I will be setting it up with a leather tip needle, show all of you what you can do with leather in a home sewing machine. Let's see what else to say. Again, I love the zigzags, but the straight stitch, which is this particular model, is actually not a bad thing to have either. And I'll talk when I do the video, when I finish it, I'll talk in the video about leather and just sewing heavy material in general, and why you might want a straight stitch machine over a zigzag. Anyway, stay tuned there, guys. You'll see this machine when she's been cleaned and oiled. Her decals are still quite nice, and you can see, of course, in pretty large lettering, made in Italy. It even has, it is guaranteed by Good Housekeeping. So anyway, this was one of the new upstarts, at least in North America, back in the 50s, and trying to compete with Singer and Kenmore, and I think Necchi did a great job of it for a while. So anyway, stay tuned for the debut video for this machine when I'm finished with it. And if any of you have questions or comments about this Necchi, or maybe a Necchi of your own, just put them down there in the comment section below. And if you subscribe to the channel, you can click the bell and be updated when a new video is posted. I sure appreciate all of you watching. Take care.